Hi, my friend. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to Gua Sha, this is a really wonderful routine to kind of get started with. I'm going to keep it super simple, but it's super effective. And I love Gua Sha. It makes such a big difference in the face and the skin, especially with consistency. So today I'm going to guide you through a very simple but nourishing, calming, beautiful Gua Sha routine that you can do as a beginner. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by applying a little bit of face oil to our skin, and you want to make sure you have your Gua Sha tool ready. So I just applied a little bit of oil all over my face here. I'm just going to apply a little bit here extra, but make sure you have a good amount of oil on your face to make sure that the Gua Sha tool is kind of running smoothly, and so there's a nice glide, so you're not kind of dragging the skin at all. So we want to make sure that we do our lymphatic drainage and warming up the muscles to start. So what we're going to do first is take the tool. You want to take this long-edged side here, place it on the outside, and then you want to put your fingers here for support and glide it at a 45-degree angle here, 15 to 45, glide it all the way out to the ear like this. You don't have to press too hard. These are very gentle movements, unless I say that you can go a little bit deeper, but actually it's better when we're doing these kind of exercises to go gently to start. Next, we're going to go on the other side. So again, hold your fingers here for support. Again, glide at an angle all the way out to the ear like this. Remember to take nice deep breaths. This is also a calming and soothing practice for you. So as we are working on our muscles and our skin and our fascia, we're also working on our mind as well. Feeling calm and relaxed is such a big part of it. Okay, so next take this long-edged tool here again and glide it again all the way out to the ear. Now let's go on the other side. This is going to help warm up the muscles, and this is a really important part before we go into more of the specialized techniques. Wonderful. Now let's take the tool again, place your finger here for support, and then glide all the way out. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. So now we're going to take the side of the tool again and place it right here at an angle, and then gently glide it all the way down to the collarbone like this, and you can do a little wiggle at the end here. Remember, slow, gentle movements. We go on the other side. Remember to breathe as well. Wonderful. Now let's take the tool again and glide it all the way out here. chest area. Wonderful. So now that we've warmed up our muscles and the entire face here, opened up our lymph nodes so we have easier drainage, now we can go in and focus on certain parts of our face. So I'm going to start by going in to the eye area, and then we're going to go to the cheek area and then our jaw today. So first you want to take this smaller edge here, or rounded edge, and you want to place your finger here for support, and then glide, and make sure you have enough oil here now, and glide all the way at an angle, all the way out like this. And be very mindful here to not be too harsh. You want to be very gentle around the eye area. Wonderful. Now we're going to do this underneath the eye as well, and glide all the way out. You can place your finger here for support. Glide all the way out. This is going to help with any kind of puffiness around our eye area here, smoothing out lines and wrinkles and reducing any dark circles, because also this is helping with the blood circulation. Wonderful. So you see here already my eye is looking a little bit more lifted here, and you see the difference already here. Okay, so we're going to go on the other side now. Place your finger here for support, and then glide all the way out here. Wonderful. You can go underneath the eyes as well. So you see already here how my eyes are looking a little bit more lifted just by doing this a few seconds. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the cheek area. So we're just going to take this rounded little curve here, and then hold here, fingers here for support, and then this area goes right onto the cheekbone. So you're going to glide and do a little wiggle here at the end. Again, make sure you have enough oil here so there's enough slip. There's no dragging of the skin at all. It's just gliding very smoothly here. This is going to help with any kind of sagging cheeks, lifting and toning our cheek area. See the difference here now? It's amazing. It's such a difference doing this in just a few minutes. That's why Gua Sha is so powerful. Okay, so let's gonna do this again on the other side here. Wonderful. Now we're going to work on this area right here, and so we're going to take this long edge here again, place it here right underneath, hold here for support, and then glide all the way out to the ear like this. You don't have to tilt the tool as much here. You can kind of go a little bit more straight. This is also going to help release the tension in this lower part of the face. We hold so much tension here. So by really gliding and working the tool and really stimulating this area, it's going to increase the blood circulation and also help release that tension. Let's go on the other side. It's going to also help with any kind of sagging skin, like a sagging jawline or jowls. Really working on this area here to lift and firm. Wonderful. So this is wonderful for today. So we're gonna just take our hands, rub them together like this. Create a little bit of warmth, and then place your hands here over your face. And your neck area. Wonderful work. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this, you might want to check out my other Gua Sha tutorials here, where we're working on certain parts of the face, on the eye area, sometimes the forehead, or you can do this whole full Gua Sha routine with me where I'm not talking, we're just kind of going through, and it's part over here. You can check that out as well. So thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.